want something hot and spicy and comforting tonight. So I've decided to cook butter chicken, Indian butter chicken with naan and rice, with cream, with fenugreek. But it's so easy because once you marinate it in the yogurt and spices, and there's only, well, cinnamon, turmeric and chilli and a bit of yogurt, that's it, 15 minutes. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. Starving now. I've lived this. It just smells so gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Look, even cream on the top. Look, a little bit of cream. I'll serve it up. So I've got some rice which I cooked, bit of naan, and then look, I'm just gonna try it because I think I haven't cooked this for ages, and yeah, and I've just forgotten what it tastes like, so I'm going to try it. Look. Oh no, I've got to do a little bit of, you know me, I've got to put a little bit of coriander on the top. Obviously you don't have to. Yes, yes, you need this. 15 minutes, oh my goodness. That is an amazing curry. Butter curry, and it's not what everybody thinks, oh God, I've put in a pound of butter. No, seriously, about 30 grams. And there's enough there for loads of people. You know, obviously, because we're all entertaining at the moment. But yeah, yum, yum. Bloody gorgeous.